Welcome to the enchanting world of rustic wooden furnishings and decor accents, where nature's beauty meets timeless craftsmanship. In this space, we celebrate the unique character and warmth that rustic wood brings to our homes. Each piece, with its own story and charm, adds a layer of depth and authenticity to our living environments. Whether you're seeking to create a cozy nook or a welcoming gathering space, rustic wood serves as the perfect foundation, inviting a sense of comfort and tranquility into your home. Rustic wooden furnishings are more than just functional pieces. They embody a connection to nature and a celebration of craftsmanship that transcends trends. From beautifully crafted dining tables that become the heart of family gatherings to charming decorative accents that enhance your decor, each item invites you to appreciate the artistry behind its creation. In this exploration, we will delve into the versatility, sustainability, and timeless appeal of rustic wood, showcasing how these elements can transform any space into a warm and inviting sanctuary. Join us on this journey to discover how rustic wooden decor can enrich your home and elevate your living experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the beauty of rustic wooden furnishings and decor accents. We hope you found inspiration and ideas to enhance your home with these timeless pieces. If you enjoyed the content, please stay tuned until the end of the video for more insights and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might also appreciate the charm of rustic decor. Your support helps us create more engaging content, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting ideas in the future. The allure of rustic wood. Rustic wooden furnishings capture the essence of nature, exuding a charm that modern materials often lack. The unique textures, colors, and grains of wood create a sense of authenticity that resonates with many homeowners. Each piece tells a story, marked by the natural imperfections and variations inherent in wood, such as knots and irregularities. This organic beauty invites a connection to the outdoors, making rustic wood an ideal choice for those seeking to create a warm, inviting atmosphere in their homes. The rich, earthy tones of rustic wood can evoke feelings of comfort and nostalgia, making it a timeless option for decor. Craftsmanship and tradition. The craftsmanship behind rustic wooden furnishings often reflects a deep-rooted tradition of woodworking. Many of these pieces are handcrafted by skilled artisans who prioritize quality and attention to detail. This dedication to craftsmanship ensures that each item is not only durable, but also a work of art in its own right. The techniques used by these artisans, whether traditional joinery or hand finishing, highlight the unique characteristics of each piece, ensuring that no two items are exactly alike. This personal touch imbues each furnishing with a sense of history and significance, making it a cherished addition to any home. Versatility in design. Rustic wooden furnishings are remarkably versatile, capable of seamlessly integrating into various design aesthetics. Whether your home reflects a farmhouse, industrial, or contemporary style, rustic wood can enhance the overall look. The natural hues and textures of wood can complement a wide range of color palettes, from bold and vibrant to soft and muted. This adaptability allows homeowners to create cohesive and visually appealing spaces. For instance, a rustic wooden dining table can serve as a centerpiece in a modern kitchen, bridging the gap between two different styles while adding warmth and character. Sustainable living. In today's environmentally conscious society, the sustainability of materials is a significant consideration for many homeowners. Rustic wooden furniture often comes from reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, minimizing the ecological impact of deforestation. By choosing these pieces, individuals can contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle while enjoying the beauty of nature in their homes. Reclaimed wood, in particular, adds a layer of history and character, as it has been salvaged from old structures and repurposed into new furnishings. This choice not only supports eco-friendly practices, but also promotes a sense of responsibility towards the environment. Centerpieces of gatherings. A rustic wooden dining table serves as more than just a piece of furniture. It becomes the heart of the home. It is around this table that families gather for meals, celebrate special occasions, and create lasting memories. The sturdy construction of a rustic table invites people to come together, fostering a sense of community and connection. This central gathering place encourages long conversations, laughter, and the sharing of stories, making it an essential element in cultivating family bonds. Complemented by rustic chairs, the setup creates an inviting atmosphere that enhances the dining experience. Decorative accents. In addition to larger furnishings, rustic wooden decor accents play a crucial role in enhancing the overall aesthetic of a space. Items such as wooden shelves, picture frames, and decorative bowls can add depth and interest to walls and surfaces. These accents provide opportunities to display cherished photographs, art, or plants, allowing homeowners to personalize their spaces. The warmth of wood contrasts beautifully with other materials, such as metal or glass, creating a balanced and harmonious environment. Incorporating these decorative elements can transform a simple room into a visually engaging and inviting space. Textural contrast. Integrating rustic wooden elements with various textures can significantly elevate a room's design. The contrast between the ruggedness of wood and the smoothness of textiles, metals, or stone adds dimension and visual intrigue. For example, a rustic wooden coffee table can be paired with soft, plush cushions and a woven rug to create a cozy yet stylish living area. This textural interplay invites tactile exploration, encouraging people to engage with their surroundings. By thoughtfully combining different elements, homeowners can create spaces that feel dynamic and inviting, enhancing the overall atmosphere of their homes. The comfort of wood. Wood has a natural warmth that can make a space feel more inviting and comfortable. The tactile quality of a wooden surface encourages interaction, whether it's the smoothness of a polished table or the rugged texture of a reclaimed wood bench. This sensory experience contributes to a home's overall atmosphere, making it feel loved and lived in. The comfort of wood is not just in its appearance, but also in its ability to create inviting spaces where family and friends gather, fostering connections and shared experiences. Rustic meets modern. The juxtaposition of rustic wooden elements with modern design is a trend that continues to gain popularity. Combining sleek metal fixtures or minimalist decor alongside rustic wood creates a dynamic contrast that feels both fresh and timeless. This blend of styles allows for creative expression and personalization within the home. For instance, a rustic wooden dining table can be paired with contemporary metal chairs, striking a balance between old-world charm and modern aesthetics. This fusion not only enhances the visual appeal of a space, but also reflects the homeowner's unique taste and personality. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in exploring the captivating world of rustic wooden furnishings and decor accents with us. We hope you found valuable insights and inspiration to enhance your living space with the unique charm and warmth that these pieces bring. Rustic wood not only adds beauty to your home, but also fosters a sense of connection to nature and craftsmanship. As you consider incorporating these elements into your decor, remember that each piece tells a story, enriching your environment with character and history. We encourage you to take what you've learned and let it inspire your own design journey. Your support means the world to us, and we look forward to sharing more creative ideas and tips in future videos.